In this session, we are going to learn a new poem, that is a fairy went a market. What is the name of poem? A fairy went a market, written by Rose Flamen. Okay, who is the poet? Rose Flamen. A fairy. Fairy means what? A fairy means a small creature that have the magical power. Okay, do you know the fairy tales or stories related to fairies like that? Okay, in this poem we know that we can guess that from the title of fairy. This poem is related to a fairy who went a market. Now read the poem. Okay. A fairy went a marketing. She bought a little fish. She put it in crystal bowl upon a golden dish. An hour she sat in wonderment and watches its silver gleam. And then she gently took it up and slipped it in a stream. A fairy went a marketing. She bought a colored bird. It sang the sweetest, shrillest song that ever she had heard. She sat beside its painted cage and listened half the day. And then she opened wide the door and let it fly away. See the next page. A fairy went a marketing. She bought a winter gown, all stitched about with gossamer and lined with thistle down. She wore it all the afternoon with branching and delight. Then gave it to a little frog to keep him warm at night. A fairy went a marketing. She bought a gentle mouse to take her tiny messages, to keep her tiny house. All day she kept its busy feet, patting to and fro, and then she kissed its silken ears, thanked it and let it go. Students, you have to read this poem. In this poem, we find some more difficult words. So, read it at least 3 times and send me the audio. In next session, I will explain you the meaning of this poem. Thank you.